Hi, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Eleni Srigandan, and I will explain the extract and introduction part for this project of the title Characterization of Optical Network. For the abstract part, we outline the fundamentals of continuous optical frequency domain reflectometry. Uh, it is it is demonstrated that this method is highly appropriate for characterizing optical network components, and some of these components precise measurement are provided. For the introduction, the characterization of optical network is crucial field in the rapidly developing telecommunication industry that is necessary to fully realize the potential of rapid data transfer. Based on the fundamentals of fiber optics, optical network are a technological marvel that allow larger amounts of data to be exchanged quickly and effectively using light pulses. The importance of optical networks in this fast-paced age of technological advancement cannot be emphasized. They serve as the backbone of international communication, meeting the needs of all sectors of the economy as well as private citizens. The characterization of optical networks remains a dynamic and expanding field, requiring constant research and adaptation to satisfy the ever-growing demands of our interlinked society as the world keeps expanding the boundaries of connectivity with innovative technologies. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Gloriana Fatimi Amadia. So I'm going to explain about project methodology from 1 to 4. First is introduction. The start of this project is a conscious effort to delve deeper into the intricate realm of optical networks, the backbone of contemporary communications. The introduction will commence with a comprehensive outline of the need for optical networks, highlighting its crucial role in ensuring efficient data transport and communication. A comprehensive characterization study will be made possible by it, also highlighting the growing need for increased bandwidth and the complexity of network topologies. The project will prioritize elucidating its specific objective, which revolve on a comprehensive analysis and comprehension of the diverse components and variable impacting the performance of optical networks. Second is literature review. The phase of literature review will involve a true investigation of the vast amount of information pertaining to optical network characterization. This section examines a variety of academic articles, technical papers, and industry reports in an effort to determine the approaches that have been used in the past in the field. In addition, as that have been used in the past in the field in sorry that have been used in the past in the field, in addition as identifying current trends and issues. Through the process of integrating this abundance of data, the research aims to develop a solid theoretical foundation, one that combines the most recent developments in optical networking with the originality and significance needed for this particular characterization project. 3 is scope definition. In order to define the parameters of the investigation, the scope definition step is essential. Here, the research will precisely specify the kinds of optical networks that are being studied, whether they be hybrid amalgamations, free space optical communication system, or fiber optic networks. 4 is data collection. The data collection phase, a key component of the project, is envisioned as a painstaking procedure for obtaining empirical data from actual optical networks. This multi-pronged strategy will include field measurements conducted on location, data collection from network equipment, and maybe the use of simulation to gather a representative and varied data set. The aim is to build an extensive repository that replicates the many situations and configuration typical of optical networks, therefore improving the significance and usefulness of the study that follows. Thank you.
Okay. Assalamualaikum. My name is Amir Rashid. So today I would like to explain one of my part, which is project methodology of our title, which is the characterization of optical network. So as you can see, I will part the final half of my project methodology, which is number 5, 6, 7, 8, and 8. So for the project methodology, the methodology section is focused on developing a comprehensive technique, which is to characterize the optical network, detailing precise metric, parameter, and consideration for factor like the ambient temperature and network traffic. So, the data analysis involved through examination using statistical approach and signal processing to identify the pattern and hidden behavior, which is the align with the project overall goals. So the subsequent validation and testing phase aims to confirm the characterization methodology's validity through iterative tests, benchmark comparison, and theoretical model to ensure the reproducibility and dependability of results. So the conclusion of the recommendation provide a summary of key discoveries, their implication of the telecom industry, and transition into suggestion for network optimization and performing the improvement. So this is the final section underscore the project's substantial contribution to advancing our understanding of optical network and influencing the future development of the telecom sector.
Okay. Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Davda Nofal and I will be presenting about the result. So there are two types of fiber optic cable. There is a single mode fiber optic. So the single mode fiber optic is made to transmit just one mode of light, usually a laser generated signal light. So a single mode of light can be transmitted down the fiber core using single mode fiber. So the second one is a multi-mode fiber optic. So the multi-mode fiber optic, unlike the single mode, it can made to enable several light modes or routes to pass through the fiber core at the same time. So the multi-mode fiber typically have a core diameter between 50 and 62.5 microns, which is bigger than that of single mode fiber. So this is the example of the light that propagate through the fiber optic. This is the multi-mode. There is a multiple light that propagate to the fiber, and this is a single mode. So there is only one light that propagate through the fiber. So this is a table that shows the comparison between the single mode fiber and the multi-mode fiber. There's a comparison between the core size, the bandwidth, distance, light source, applications, and also cost and dispersion, and also connector types. So next is Priya.
Okay, so hi, my name is Priyadarshi Ramalingam. So I'm going to present about the discussion. So we look at the discussion of the characterization of optical system inside the domain of optical communication and optoelectronic, utilizing cutting-edge optic framework program introduced in transformative time in arrange examination and optimization. And also, different characterization pointer into an productive multi-framework showing a dual-purpose system. This framework, not as it were comprehensively, assess parameters like flag, misfortune, scattering, and transmission capacity utilizing, but to encourage a synchronized evaluation. By settling this coordinate approach, executive comparison of a different organized setup ended up more and quick, disclosing practicing connection between parameter and their effect on in general arrange execution. And this union of characterization considered through optic framework program messages a northward jump forward, engaging engineer and analyst to dig more broad into arrange complexity and clearing the way of more exceeding optimization procedure basic in request of present day information transmission and communication innovation. So next is about the conclusion. The so the conclusion that we have concluded that through the through the assignment, the most recent characterization ponder the task as portrait a dual process system efficiently characterization different parameter consistently. This comparison approach empower a whole encompassing assessment including flag, misfortune, scattering, transmission capacity, utilization, and in general organized productivity. By joining this characterization, the task as encourage execution, comparison, advertising principles, experience into improving arrange capacity. And also, this blend of characterization founded not as it were streamless appraisal form, but moreover, more profound comprehension of how different parameter exchange, clearing the way for more visible optimization. So that's all from us. Thank you.